Hi everyone, are you dreaming to get into medical practice in United States? Then you need to start preparation with USMLE. USMLE is United States Medical Licensing Exam. Usually USMLE, that is United States Medical Licensing Exam, can be extremely overwhelming for the students to prepare because of the difficulty level, lack of information and also the guidance. So now in this video, let's just break up how the USMLE exam is conducted. USMLE exam is conducted in 3 steps. Step 1, Step 2 and Step 3. Step 1 is the exam which focuses on basic medical science subjects like anatomy, biochemistry, physiology, pharmacology, pathology, biostatistics, behavior sciences, public health, genetics and immunology. So somebody who's planning to give USMLE Step 1, they can give this exam post second year of med school. USMLE Step 1 exam is a one-day exam for a time duration of 8 hours. In this, you have 7 blocks of questions. In each block consists of around 40 questions that accumulate to around 280 questions. And USMLE Step 1 exam is nothing but pass or fail exam right now. USMLE Step 2 exam is basically focuses on your clinical knowledge. That is nothing but your second, third year and fourth year subject, which includes your medicine, surgery, pedia, OBG, gynecology, other subjects. So basically, Step 2 exam checks how good are you when it comes to the clinical subject. Step 2 exam is a 8-hour exam too, where it comes, 9-hour exams, where you have around 8 blocks of questions. Each block again consists of around 40 questions. Total amount of questions approximately ranges around 318. And USMLE Step 2 minimum score required for you to pass is 214. USMLE Step 2 exam is a 2-day exam. And Step 1 day, first day, that is Step 1 is day 1. Day 1 checks on your fundamental knowledge and day 2 checks how well are you in handling the patient, both inpatient as well as outpatient. So there are multiple resources for USMLE Step 1 that may include your first aid, boards and beyonds, sketchy, pathoma, Kaplan and UVED questions also. So when it comes, there's so much of resources available, but you need to confine that research and prepare from exam point of view. That's where GATEIIT plays a very important role. GATEIIT helps you in the preparation for USMLE Step 1 preparation as well as Step 2, where our faculties are expert faculties, means ECFMG qualified faculties with more than 10 plus years of experience as a practitioner doctors in United States. These faculties will be taking online live 2-way interactive sessions, which has multiple batches like morning, evening, afternoon. We also provide 24 hours recorded session access, and we also give you mock exams that are very similar to your NBMEs, or the mock exams are prepared based on your NBMEs. So right now, join USMLE preparation with GATEIIT. The batches have just begun. It's right time for you to enroll. Thank you everyone.